Hi, this is the OnePlus pad and I'll show you how to customize always on display option on this device. So first we should open the Muviz Edge application, open it and select one from the available tabs in edit section. For example, let's use this one. Tap to apply. We could change here the backgrounds or just to add them to our just lock screen. For example, let's use this one. Tap to apply. We could also hide music controls after 10 seconds or just to don't hide them. To activate a turn off to show notifications and date by click on the switchers, and to show battery status always while device charging or never. Let's go back. Tap to X icon and switch edit to the settings. Click to always on display. We could turn on or turn off this option by click on the switcher on the right upper corner. Here we got show unlock screen section. We could show it always while device charging on music. We could use them separately or together. To increase or decrease the brightness level. To switch timeout, low power after time. Screen orientation from auto to portrait, landscape or reverse landscape. To close it by double and single tap. To close it on screen off to set the shadow. To use it in a pocket mode and to disable it during the calls. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.